One of the more recent additions to Excel is the ability to access ribbon commands using the keyboard. In this movie, I will show you how to control a pivot table from the ribbon by using keyboard commands. My sample file is keyboard 0804, and you can find it in the Chapter 8 folder of the exercise files collection. Keyboard shortcuts have been available for your ribbon commands for quite a few years, but they were only recently added to pivot tables. If you want to control the ribbon by using the keyboard, press the Alt key, and you can see that when you release the Alt key, you get a series of letters that allow you to go to different tabs on the ribbon. In this case, to go to the Analyze tab, which is below Pivot Table Tools, you can see that there are the letters J, T. You don't press those together. Instead, you press them separately in a sequence. So it's not a combination, it's a sequence. I'll press J. I'm down to Analyze or Design. I'll press T. And now I'm on the Analyze Contextual tab of the ribbon. If I want to refresh my data, I see that the keystroke for that is F, as in Frank, so I'll press F. And I can either R for refresh or A for refresh all. In this case, I'll just do R, and it's done. One thing to note about using the ribbon through keyboard commands is how to move up a level. Say, for example, if you decide you don't want to do something, how do you back out of it? To demonstrate, I'll press the Alt key and then JT to move back to the Analyze Contextual tab, and then F for refresh. Let's say that I'm worried about my network connection, and I don't want to refresh now in case of an error. So to move up a level, I'll press Escape. That takes me back to the Analyze Contextual tab level. Press Escape again. I'm back at the top level of the ribbon. Escape again, and I'm out. Any keyboard action that I have now will either type those values into the worksheet, or if I use a control key or other sequence, they will work as keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard commands let you use Excel efficiently. If you want to control your pivot tables using the keyboard, you can now do so.